Hey, what's going on everyone? Manny here with Canine PT, and I wanted to welcome you to episode number 12 of Mondays with Manny. In this episode, we're going to cover how to introduce the place command with the dog training cot and then integrate that exercise with activities at the front door. In my practice in the private sector, a huge problem for many families is behavior when things start to happen at the front door. People arriving, whether it's guests or a delivery or just sounds happening in the front door. I know in the past my dogs have had some mild reactivity, even just hearing something in the driveway. So we're going to take you through 8 steps to first introduce the dog training cot and the place command, and then integrating that with anything that's going on with the front door, especially having to do with guests. So enjoy episode number 12, Mondays with Manny. Check it out. Alright, so in step 1, what we're going to do is build value for the dog to be on the cot in the first place. We're going to be using the word yes to signal to the dog that a reward is coming for their decision in behavior. So we're going to get the dog onto the cot and then mark and reward, and then we're going to start building from that in the later steps.
Like mommy and daddy?
Yes.
So close. So close, Mr. Lee.
Yes.
Hey Charlie, making shapes?
Free.
Oh yeah.
Free. Yes. Free. Okay, so now that you've seen that, in the second step, what we're going to do is add a label or a name to the exercise that we've been building. So now that the dog has some type of familiarity with the cot, we're going to call it place now. Instead of calling it place from the beginning, we want to make sure the dog has a clear understanding of going on and off the cot for reward, and then we add the name to the exercise. That's what this looks like. Place. Yes. Free. Place. Yes. Free. Place. Yes. Free. Place. Yes. Free. Okay, so pretty simple so far. Now what we're going to do in the third step is we're going to start asking the dog to go to place before the dog is there. So we're going to separate ourselves just a little bit from the cot. We're going to cue for or command the dog to go to place by saying the word place, and then we're going to travel to the bed. That's what this step looks like. Place. Down. Yes. Free. Sit. Yes. Place. Down. Yes. Free. Sit. Yes. Place. Down. Yes. Free. Good girl. Okay, so moving on. In step 4, what we're going to do now is we're going to add together the first 3 steps, and we're going to start drilling and rehearsing those together. Only now the difference is, because the dog has a good understanding of what the exercise is, we raise the difficulty. So we're going to slowly add in, moving away from the bed, and then adding activity at the front door, starting with low-level difficulty and distraction, and then progressing to something harder in the later steps. Check it out. Place. Down. Yes. Free. Place. Down. Yes. Place. No. Yes. Free. Good girl. Woo. Okay, so now you have an idea of what slowly adding front door difficulty looks like. What we want to do in the next step, step 5, is we're going to begin to walk more fluidly around the bed. I'm not going to be giving as much help with my body by being next to the bed. And then we're also incrementally increasing the difficulty level at the front door, knocking more vigorously, opening and closing the door a little bit more, and then we're going to progress to something a little bit harder in the later steps. Place. Down. Yes. Place. Yes. Place. No. Yes. Place. Yes. Free. Ooh, good girl. Okay, so regarding the steps that have to do with place and front door activity, what I want you to notice is that so far the dog has been on the bed first, then we're moving away and adding the front door activity. So it's really important the dog can be able to hold position on the bed or the cot or whatever you're using, and then hear stuff happen at the front door remaining in position. So in the 6th step, what we're going to do is a slight variation. Now that the dog understands how to hold position and hear things at the front door, what's next is the dog be loose or free roaming, and then hear the activity at the front door, then get sent to place. So this is step 6. Check it out. Place. Down. Yes. Place. Oops. Nope. Drop the food there. Yes. Place. Yes. Free. Good girl. Okay, so what we're going to do in the next step, step number 7, is we're going to actually repeat step 6, only we're going to follow our pattern of increasing difficulty. In step 7, what we're going to do is allow the dog to be free roaming just as before, only now what we're doing is we're also adding in increased difficulty by utilizing the doorbell, which happens to be a pretty big trigger for most dogs, and a lot of families don't practice ringing the doorbell themselves before people actually arrive at the house. So step 7, here it is. We're going to make it a little harder now. Place. Down. Yes. Place. Yes. Free. All right, so that's what that looked like, guys. Steps 1 through 7 is all about the prep work and preparing the dog for the final step, which is someone actually arriving at the house, being on the outside of the door, someone that's not you. It's important that we take things in stages. We want the dog to understand how to go on and off the bed on command. We want the dog to understand how to wait on the bed while things happen. We want the dog to understand how to be on the bed and hear things happening at the front door. And then we also want the dog to understand how to be loose hear things happen at the front door, and then go to the bed. All of this sets us up for reliable behavior, mostly reliable behavior, by the time someone shows up at the front door. So in step 8, we're going to put all of it together. It's going to be our first trial of having an actual person on the other side of the door making the distractions happen. Have a look. Oh, place. Down. Yes. Place. Hey there, thanks for coming over. Yes. I'm training my dog. Can you let yourself in?
Sure, no problem.
Hi. Yes.
What are you guys working on?
We're working on keeping her in her bed. Yes. When people come over. Place. Hi.
Good to see you.
Yes. Would you like to meet her?
Definitely.
Free.
Good girl.
Yay, that was perfect. Good girl. All right, guys, that's your 8 steps to getting better front door behavior. The big thing I want you to recognize is that you have to take things in slow, incremental stages before you can expect a whole lot out of your dog when people show up at your house or anything happening at the front door. So I promise if you follow each of these steps in order, you're gonna get some really, really great transformation with your dog's front door behavior. Spend as much time as you need in each individual step before heading on to step 8. So now that you've seen all of these steps together, what we're gonna go ahead and show you is the finished routine with a few extra dogs. Get out there, get practicing, spend as much time as you need to getting those repetitions in, and then of course you can reach out to us if you need any additional help. I hope you enjoyed episode number 12 of Mondays with Manny, the place command integrated with front door activity. Thanks guys, enjoy your training. Place. Down. Down. Yes. Place. Hi there, I'm training my dog. Would you let yourself in and close the door?
No problem.
Yes. Place. Yes. Place. Nope. We're teaching her how to stay in her bed and lay down while someone comes over.
Nice to see you. She's doing a good job.
Yes. Would you like to meet her?
Of course.
Free.
Hi. Hi. Place. Yes. Hi there. I'm
Hi.
training my dog. Go ahead and let yourself in.
Thank you.
Yes.
That's cool. Ooh, pretty dog.
Thank you.
Should I close the door?
Go for it. We're working on keeping her on place. Down. Yes.
Hello.
Hi. Would you like to meet her?
Sure.
Free?
Oh, hi, Mama. Good girl. That's nice. Oh. Place. Down. Yes. Place. Yes. Place. Hi there. I'm training my dog. Can you come on in? Yes. Go ahead and close the door. Thank you. Place.
No problem.
Right. Yes. So she's practicing staying on her bed. Nope. There I said no for standing up. New repetition, yes. Would you like to meet her?
Definitely.
Free.
Hi.